Did you know that Alfa Romeo built a special version of the Giulia just to dominate touring car racing? And only one was ever made in red. This is the Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Super from Hot Wheels 2025 K-Case. It is part of the Compact King set number 195. If you want to catch more new castings early, hit like and comment down below what cars are you excited for in the coming weeks. Looks great out of the box, but to understand why Hot Wheels chose this particular variant of the Giulia, we've got to talk about the real car. The Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Super is a sportier version of the Alfa Romeo Giulia produced from 1963 to 1964. Compared to the regular Giulia, it features a more powerful engine and a number of weight-saving components. The car received FIA and CSAI homologation for touring car racing and was extensively campaigned in the European Touring Car Challenge. Today, the Giulia TI Super is one of the rarest variants of the Giulia and is highly desired by collectors. Only 501 were ever made and only one in red. And lucky us, we have that one right here. The casting itself features a metal on plastic construction in this gorgeous red color. The front of the car features chrome headlights and grille details from the same piece as the interior. On the driver's side indicator tampos, a 4-leaf clover badge, and the number 63 on the side, a nod to the first year of production. And on the back, Alfa Romeo, Hot Wheels, and Momo logos. Behind the car, we see detailed taillights, indicator tampos, along with a license plate that says TI Super on it, along with the chrome exhaust pipe. The passenger side has the same tampos as the driver's side, except it's missing a side mirror, unlike the driver's side. Taking a look at the base, it has the name of the car, casting code, date of manufacture, and country of manufacture, Malaysia. The interior is a rather odd chrome color with roll cage details on the back half of the car. The B-pillars are casted into the metal body and it uses an aerodisc wheel type with a rather small 90mm wheel size. The car rolls extremely well and straight, one of the best rolls I've seen thus far. The car weighs in at 33 grams, light and speedy, just like the real-life counterpart. Compared to the Tomica F40, which is a 1/62nd scale, the car seems to be in line in both length and width, suggesting it is exactly, if not very close to 1/64th scale. Thank you for joining me in this early unboxing and showcase. Subscribe for more early unboxings.